What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name's Jesse. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the wiper blades on your Mercury Grand Marquis. It's a little bit different compared to other cars. So, let's get to it. Turn the key to the accessory on position. Turn the wiper blades on. When the wiper blades reach the center of the windshield, immediately turn the key to the off position. Lift the wiper blade arm and remove the center clip from the wiper blade with a flathead screwdriver. Place a microfiber towel in between to protect the windshield. Before installing the new wiper blade, remove the center clip. Reinstall this clip in a 180 degree. Alright, if you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late. I hope you guys don't mind. Can you please close the door? Or you could just click off too. You could click off, that's fine too. Y'all still there? Well, if y'all want to watch some more Mercury Grand Marquis videos, go ahead and check out the playlist, which I'm slowly building up, and I'll be adding more videos. Alright, fine, man. Since you're not leaving, I'm leaving. Here's the keys.